I know it looks like my real hair, but it ain't my real hair, sis. Nope. No. What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing something beauty related. Now, I am not a makeup or beauty fashion professional. Anything that I learned from makeup, I learned from my friend Faith, and anything that I learned from hair, I learned on my own, watching YouTube videos, etc. So I'm gonna show you guys how to get from this to this. This hairstyle features a lot of clipping hair extensions. Yes, this is not my real hair. I'm wearing hair extensions, clipping hair extensions. These are the clip-ons that I made myself. If you guys want, I can do a YouTube video on how I make those clipping hair extensions, but yeah, I bought the bundles and I made the clips myself, so I'm wearing them right now. I know it looks like my real hair, but it ain't my real hair, sis. Nope. No. Trust me, I've fooled many people with this. People are shocked whenever I'm like, no, I'm wearing extensions. Yeah, especially guys. Listen, guys can tell. But anyway, if you're interested in knowing how I put this look together, my hair, my makeup, please keep watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, thank you guys for the support, and hit that like button, okay, because it really helps my channel. So yeah, keep watching. Okay guys, so let us get started. So we're gonna take this hot mess and turn it into something magical. Okay, now before I start, I need to explain what my hair situation is. So I'm gonna pause this video and explain to y'all. So I have 3 different textures in my hair. The front, I have relaxer, like what a perm, right? The middle is my natural 4C kinky hair, and in the back I have texturizer, which is basically kind of like relaxer and my natural hair mix. So the texture is in between perm and natural. Okay, now I like it that way because I need the tension at the back and I love the silkiness at the front. Okay, now let's continue. So yeah, you can see my cornrows here and the mess. Now the first thing you want to do is dampen the front of your hair. I have my Shea Moisture Detangler and a little bit of water. Now this mixture is very thick because I have more of the product than water. You do not want your hair to be wet. You just want to dampen it and soften it a bit. Do not put a lot of water. You want to put more product. Now I'm just gonna try to straighten the front with a wide tooth comb. You do not want to break your hair, so be very gentle when you're running the comb through the front of your hair. Okay, all right. Now these are my tracks. This is what I'm gonna be putting in my hair. I'm just detangling it right now because it's a hot mess, but trust me, they go from this ratchet mess to something magical. Okay, trust the process, girl, trust the process. So the clips are already cut to my head specifications. The length actually perfect for me. I measured, cut and sewed them myself, so if you want, I can actually do a video of how I made those clip-ons. Anyways, these are the clips I'm showing you right here. It's very simple to add. You just literally clip them into your hair. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna do a few pieces and I'll get back to you to explain when I get to the front. Now when you get to the front, you need to be very delicate as to not rip out your edges. you're gonna clip the clip-ins to the front of your hair in the leave out, but do not clip it onto your edges. You need at least 1 or 2 inches from the front of your hair to the clips, okay? And if you feel tension, like it's pulling, please take it off and clip it again. You do not want to rip out any part of the front of your hair, because this is very important. You need the front of your hair to cover the clips. So be very gentle when you're at this part. This takes some time. Don't yank it. Be gentle, okay? Now I'm sure y'all must be thinking that the color of the extensions and the color of my hair are 2 different colors. Yes, it's true. That's why I usually put the blacker tracks at the top to cover the browner tracks which are below, okay? The blacker tracks are same color with my hair, so I try to keep them on top, okay? I know it looks crazy and it looks like a whole mess, but just trust the process, okay? It works, and yeah, girl, I got you, okay? Okay, so I had to slow down the video because I want to explain what's happening, because we're at the most important part, which is the top of my head inside my leave out. Like I said before, you need to be very gentle when adding the clips to the top of your head in your leave out, okay? I have yanked out my edges before. Trust me, I had a big bald patch on the side of my head, and girl, it did not look cute. I looked crazy. So please be gentle, take your time. You do not want the clips to have any tension in your hair, okay? Be gentle. Now, before y'all come for me, I know my arms look very jiggly. All the weight that I lost, it made my arms very jiggly. I have a lot of loose skin, but don't worry, girl, I'm working on it. I'm lifting weights, okay? Bear with me. It's a process, darling. So I added the shorter pieces of clip-ins inside my leave out at the top of my head, close to the separation, and right now I'm just brushing my leave out and trying to blend it with the tracks, okay? Yes, it is not blended yet, but trust me, it will get there, okay? So this is the Holy Grail Eco Styling Gel. It's extremely cheap. You can get it at any beauty supply store. You take a generous amount and add it to your leave out. Do not oversaturate your leave out. You do not want it to be wet. Like I said, you want it to just be damp, okay? It's better to add a little bit and gradually add more if you need it than just adding a lot of Eco Gel. Take your time. So right now, with a soft bristle brush, I'm just brushing my leave out and trying to blend it with the extensions. Take your time. It's just like when you're doing makeup, you need to blend it. So be gentle, and yeah, it will get there. You just need to be gentle and patient. Seriously, y'all, look at how that blend. Oh my god, it looks great. Seriously, look at that. Can you tell that I'm wearing tracks? What? Girl, trust me. Trust the process. Trust the process. Now we're gonna form our plait, our one plait, be very gentle. Do not put the plait tight, because like I said, it will cause too much tension on the tracks, especially at the front of your hair, and you do not want to break the front of your hair. Okay, now I have my plait. I'm just gonna use some got2b glue products. I love the products. My hair stays put with the got2b glue for like 5 hours even when I sweat, so I highly recommend this. So I'm just gonna put a little bit, a generous amount at the front of my hair to hold down some of my leave out, and also to secure my edges. Okay, you do not have to put a lot. A little bit does go a long way when it comes to got2b glue. And also I'm gonna use the got2b glue spray to spray my plait, just to ensure that, you know, it stays down and there are no flyaways. So let me give you guys a view of the back. Yes, the top is kind of a bit frizzy. I could have brushed it down a bit more and maybe added some gel, but all in all, you cannot tell me that this isn't my hair. Okay, it looks great. Yeah, girl, I love it. Let me show you guys the top. You do not see any tracks and just looks good. So now I'm just gonna use a silky scarf to tie my hair down, just to secure it whilst I do my makeup. Okay, now I'm just gonna do very basic makeup. I do not do heavy makeup. My makeup is always very minimalistic, and you cannot go to town or leave the house looking crazy. I mean, what's that? So yeah, I'm just gonna do very basic makeup. I've already put my foundation and a little bit of concealer, so right now I'm just setting the concealer under my eye. One trick that I learned: when you're adding your translucent powder to set your concealer, look up. Try to look up as much as possible to avoid creasing. Yeah, that's a little tip I picked up along the way. Now I am obsessed with blush. I'm sorry, I don't care how much makeup I wear, a little or a lot, I always put some blush. I just feel like the blush makes you look rosy and flirty and cute, and it just brings the look together. Okay, but don't add a lot of blush because you look like a clown. All right, you need to be very light-handed with the blush. Just a little bit goes a long way, as you can see. And I'm gonna add some mascara, and then I'm gonna set the look with setting spray. And yeah, now I don't use any specific products. I literally only use drugstore makeup. I'm not a makeup guru or anything. I just picked up some tricks and tips along the way, especially from my friend Faith. She does really good makeup, so I basically just, you know, learned from her. I'm gonna head out the door. I actually have an errand to run today, and I have a surprise for you guys, but I'm gonna explain to you what the surprise is in my next video, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, I am literally about to head out the door to go get something in town, which is kind of related to my surprise. Please, my dad went to leave me, so I guess I'll have to go get a bus. Anyways, thank you for watching. I'm gonna post some pictures of my outfit that I'm wearing to go to town, but I'm just gonna wear a simple like jeans and t-shirt, nothing spectacular. And I'm hungry. I need to go have lunch also. I haven't eaten for the day and it's about 2 o'clock p.m. So Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe because I post every week. And yeah, thank you for stopping by.